Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to create a new world in Big Walk. Let's begin by opening the host game menu. From here select Start a new game. Enter a new name for the save file. Input password if required. And hit continue. Select how many people will be playing, 2, 3 or 4. If you make a mistake here, don't worry, you can simply back out of the world after you create it and set it up once again. The same goes for the accessibility option right here to enable the challenge skipping. Now, once you are done here, select play. This may take a while, the game is loading the world. As you can see, I am in the lobby. Let me enter it. So you can see. Right. Now you can simply get to session details, copy the join code and send it to your friends. And well, that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.